What is the sounds that you're making?
Oh,
Why are you hiding?
I'm sleepy.
What is the sound that you're making then?
I'm making no sound.
Can you look at me here? You're gonna scare everybody. You look like boogeyman.
I'm tired.
You had a good ride?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. Open your face completely.
No.
Wake up.
No.
Wake up. So
No.
go sleep on the bed.
Yeah. Until tomorrow morning?
Sure, go. We don't have to go to work.
Yes, we do.
I need to drink water. I have a headache right now. I woke up, I was fine, and but the first thing I had was a green tea. And after the green tea, I had a cup of coffee, but I didn't drink like water after that. So I feel like I have a little headache. John went inside Walmart to get some water so we can drink on the way. We are out for some sightseeing right now because it's December. Yeah, it is cloudy, but it is +4. I don't normally at this time it's supposed to be like minus, like negative temperature, which will be like so cold, makes you don't want to come outside. This is still inside, but everybody is asking what is happening to winter. Where is winter? So we are out for some sightseeing because the weather is so great. I'm just happy when I don't need to wear a jacket. I can't even drive properly with jacket, big jacket. So I'm just having a little light sweater right now, and we are just having a sightseeing just around in the neighborhood. And so I need some water. So he went to get some water. I don't have nothing to do inside Walmart, so I'm just waiting for him. When he come back, I'm gonna drink like probably two pills. As we were driving sightseeing, we saw a sign that's selling eggs, free range. So you're gonna go buy eggs?
Right, shot.
We just entered people's property, and I was just asking John, are we gonna get shot? What are you eating?
Sunflower seeds.
I eat too, but not now. So let's drive and get in, see if we're gonna get eggs. Okay, so we find the egg. So it's right here, right there. There's a fridge, there's a sign, and there's a little box. So you open the fridge, it's $5 per dozen. You get your eggs, you put the money in that little box right there. So
if you don't put the money, then we get shot.
John is going. Okay, so John is going. He has $5. He is going to open the fridge. No, first.
No, first I'm gonna put the $5 in the box.
In the box.
Now I'm gonna take the eggs.
Take a nice carton. Take inside. Take one from the inside. So he's opening it, checking if there's no broken shell. Is it good?
Yeah. Run before you get shot.
No, we're not gonna get shot. Put it in the back seat. Yes.
That's so weird.
You didn't show me the egg.
After. Which camera?
Okay, so now John said, let's go, hurry up. Nothing is going to happen. We're paying for that. We pay for that.
Before they start shooting.
So, okay, when I go home, then I'm gonna open the carton and show you guys how the egg looks like, and also give you guys an update if the egg is good or not, because it is free range egg, just like we get in Mauritius before.
We gotta run.
Okay, free range egg. Okay, so run. What do you think about this December weather?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful,
It's
yes.
not December, it's January.
How do you call this?
A pond. It's
Okay.
January, not December.
I don't know why I keep saying December. It's January, and January has no snow. It was raining for like a week.
Yeah, horrible.
Horrible rain. Like can't even see the road.
Can't even go for a bike ride.
Forgot to show you guys the eggs that we got at the local eggs that I know it's local egg is very popular in Mauritius, but here it's very rare. So luckily where we live, we have a lot of these kind of stuff around. So I feel so grateful. And here is the egg. Just a carton of egg, and this is free range eggs, which is $5 for a dozen. So I just got 1 dozen, but next time if I see that I like it, then I'm probably gonna get 2 packs. So now what should I do with this egg? Scramble egg, Mauritian style, rogai jizef, or I don't know, we'll see. So we just came off the walk, and again it's gonna be storm tomorrow. Not storm, but like rain, snow, wind, high wind, strong wind, a lot of that. So I got a lot of grocery, and so that I can use for the week. And also I am ready right now to make a video, so I'm not gonna tell you guys right now what video. Whenever you see me with this clothes, then you know that's the exact day I made that recipe. What's up everyone? It's another day, and today I have guests coming over, and they are our Indian friends. So on the menu today will be all Indian food, except I'm going to make a cake, which that is going to be on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. So I'm not gonna mention the cake right now. We'll just posting later. I don't know, maybe during weekdays. So yeah, so all the menu today will be Indian food. So I'll show you what did I made at the end of the day. I know I'm gonna be very tired today, so I'm having my coffee. I already have a cup of warm water. Guys, please have a cup of warm water. That will help a lot, removing all the oil and the fat that we eat every day. So I would suggest to have a cup before bed and a cup in the morning before you have your coffee or tea. So before I make video, I just clean up this area, because this area always showed in the background on all my videos. And then as you can see, all of the spices is here. I'll have a spoon, a plate here that I use for, you know, like mixing different spoon, spices for spoons. They're all a mess. Later on I'm gonna have to clean up. You can see how much mess I have right now. And if there is no room, then I have put all the messy item, stuff that I have to clean up on my dining table. Later on I'm gonna clean everything just before guest comes. Okay, now I am tired. I need a break. The sunshine came out after many days. It was so cloudy, so cloudy. Finally, we got some sun. So now I'm gonna take some rest, and then I'm gonna go back to the kitchen and continue the rest what I have to do. So far I have done palak paneer, I have done aloo baigan, and like you know, today menu is all Indian. So Indian style vegetable pulao, and next I'm gonna go make Bombay style chicken biryani, And then what I have left to do is mixed dal, or sometimes I call it dal tadka. So, but the cakes that I'm going to make is just like anybody can eat. It's like nothing. It's just my version of coconut cake, and I will post that in another video. But so yeah, right now I'm ready.